Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FPHandmade. I'm coming at you with a Destash video. This is PayPal, friends and family, 18 years old or older. Please pay within 1 hour of receipt of email confirmation. And if you're interested in this Destash, email me at fphandmade@gmail.com. So what do I have this time around? I have a couple of Anna Griffin stamp set. This is going to be Anna Griffin, $60 ship. It's the luxury quilted purse and then the spectacular die set. So here's the spectacular die set, and these are really awesome to put on your cards. It's a 6-piece set, those 3, and then the 3 on the back. And then the Anna Griffin paperwork is on the inside. Let me show it to you really quick so you can get an idea. Oh, sorry, just tore that off of how it cuts out. So, used for layering. So here's the samples that she gives you, examples. Look at that one, it's so elegant. Super pretty. So that's spectacular. And then we have the purse. And this is the luxury quilted purse. This is really pretty. Let me show you. Hope I don't tear this one up. Should have had this out. I didn't realize I wanted to show it to you. So here's the sheet to show you what that looks like. And it gives you the instructions where you can make it a box or just flat. So super awesome. Once again, this is Anna Griffin's luxury quilted purse die set and her spectacular die set, and this is $60 ship. If you're interested, please give me send me an email at fphandmade@gmail.com, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.